I used to use a fuel additive to keep the carburetor from getting clogged and the snowblower not starting when not in use. Last time I did that, the blower wouldn't start and I had to take the carburetor apart. So now what I do, since I'm in Jersey and we may not get snow again this year, I'm going to siphon the gas out. I'll get most of it out, start the blower up and run it dry. Then I'm going to replace the fuel with True Fuel and run it dry again. This works better if you prop it up a little bit. That should work. All right, most of the gas is out. Now I'm going to start it up and run it dry. This isn't the brand name True Fuel, but same thing. Has no ethanol in it. And I'll put just about a half a cup, not much. That's plenty. And I'll run it dry again. All right, and that's all there is to it. This is the process that I've been using now for my snowblower and my generator. I used to use a fuel stabilizer, but like I said, I had a problem with this. The generator still worked, but especially with the generator, it's best to be on the safe side. Now that this is run dry, it's done. I'm just gonna put it in storage. If we get snow this year, it'll be ready to go again. I'll just put gas in it and do the same process at the end. If we don't get any more snow, this thing's good to go. Hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.